Welcome ENC 91 students. This is Michael Bloomingberg. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the assignments for week 4. So what I'm going to do, this of course being our home page on Blackboard, I'm going to go to weekly assignments just as you always do. And of course your week 4 folder is at the top, so I'm going to click on that. I'll readjust the camera just a little bit. Sorry about that. And this is the week 4 folder from which we'll spend some time looking at all the items that you're working on this week. So we'll start with the PDF document of the week 4 coursework. I'll go ahead and pull that up. And then once again, I'll readjust the camera just a little bit. Start always with the readings. This week there are no assigned readings from the Right Stuff textbook. We'll take just a little break from that book this week, but I am asking you to look at chapters 2 and 3, pages 15 to 36, and all over but the shouting. And once you have read those, you can begin looking at the Blackboard discussion assignments. You have 2 discussion board assignments this week, and both of those are related to all over but the shouting. One discussion board assignment relates to chapter 2, the other to chapter 3, and again that's all navigated through the week 4 folder where you can get to the discussion board. I skipped submitted assignments, so I'm going to come back to that in just a moment. I'm also going to adjust the camera, so bear with me just a little bit and pull back just a little bit. It's going to get just a little jumpy there. The My Writing Lab this week, it's the Craft of Writing module. You're assigned to complete work on that. This was the module that was started last week, and it is now due this week by midnight, Monday, February 9th. Please note that the Monday, February 9th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, those are your due dates for the week on every assignment, so make note of that. I've gone back up to submitted assignments. The reason I give you a break from the Right Stuff book is I really want you to devote attention this week to the rough draft of the narrative essay. We talked about the assignment sheet last week. If you want to go back to the week 3 folder, check out the video for the week 3 assignments. I talked a little bit in that video about the rough draft and due dates of the what at that point for last week was the pre-writing activity, and for this week is the rough draft. Please note that this is a rough draft and you will get the opportunity to make some changes once I get the opportunity to review it and give you some feedback. That being said, it does need to be a completed draft using the class format. Don't forget that you can find that format by going to the Start Here button, and I'm going to go ahead and readjust the camera one more time. But if you go to the Start Here option in the Help Resources, I think it's the very bottom one, which again I'll have to just move the camera down. Pan out, you'll see it down at the bottom. It's ENC format for documents. Make sure you look that over. Some of you are still having a little bit of struggle with format, but that video will walk you through it. It's a really short video that just shows you how I want you to set up your assignments that you submit in the class. I'm going to readjust camera one more time. Sorry about that. And I'll scroll back up here. I'll go back to weekly assignments and week 4. One other thing I wanted to note, and it's at the bottom of the week 4 folder. I might have to adjust one more time. There it is. You'll see the green tab for the My Writing Lab. There's been some questions from some students about getting access to the My Writing Lab, or that there may be some struggles with the direct link that's in black on the side tab of your Blackboard navigation. Please note that I put a direct link each week, as I'm sure you've probably noticed by now. I put the link into each week's folder, and that link, when you click it, will take you directly to your learning path. So if you have any problems getting in through the My Writing Lab link that's underneath your weekly assignments tab, don't worry, just go to your weekly folder in week 4 in this case and click on the learning path option. Discussion board is linked here just as always. And of course there is the link for the narrative essay rough draft. When you submit your rough draft, just remember again that you're going to attach your file through the Browse My Computer. Please do not submit your rough draft in the comments box. That comment box is just if you need to leave me a little something to know, a little comment or two. It's not for you to actually submit the assignment. When you submit it that way, it kind of makes it difficult for me to review it and give you feedback in the proper way that you're looking to get your feedback. I think this walks you through everything. The big things on the agenda we already went over, but I look forward to seeing your rough draft and seeing how you handle the narrative essay. If you have questions, feel free to email me. More videos coming in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.